Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is April the 12th, Thursday. Hope everyone's alright, everybody is safe. We made it. It's almost Friday, folks. This is coming from Allbotics, I do believe. Amazon Prime. Nice size box. And of course, link is going to be down below, where you can get it at a low cost. Wham! I don't know what happened to my scissors, but I'm still searching for those. And here we go. Wait. Yeah. Go. One more. Other side. Ooh. There we go. What do we have here, folks? Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Alright. This is really cool. Especially if everyone's going solar. Definitely a nice security feature to have. This is coming from my good friends over at Solar Motion Sensor Light Outdoor. I'm going to try and install it and then maybe an Instagram video or down summertime review. But this is it. But I can take it out and show you guys what it looks like. Waterproof. Nice. 2 rechargeable batteries. 86 ultra bright LEDs. 7 to 8 hours. Sweet. Here we go. Let's take a look inside. Oh man, I'm getting old. That's what it is. Almost birthday time. Go. Boom. That's all the good stuff. The manual. Boom. Pretty simple. Bubble wrap. Oh, we gotta be careful. There's that. There's a solar. Let's see. Alright. I did turn it on. There's a switch down right there, down at the bottom. And these are where the batteries will go. And here, unscrew those. I wonder if it would work right now. I'm not sure if there's enough juice to see the brightness at least, but I'll definitely hook this up. Maybe today, but I'm not sure yet. But if not, it'll be in a recap video soon. Let's see. Let me get up for 1 minute. 1 minute and see if it works. Nope. It needs to be charged full. I might have to put it outside for the time being. This is what it looks like. Whoa. Oh, that's bright. Whoa. Dang. That is nice. Look at that. One in darkness. Boom. Boom. Awesome. So thank you guys at Solar, I do believe. Security. I hope I said it right. I think it is Solar. One more time. Boom. It's a lot of bulbs right there. Awesome. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Check them out. Get this fast shipped to you. No time. You guys have a good day. That's it for the videos. And give me a thumbs up. And that's it. See ya.